To fix Valorant could not enter matchmaking error, you need to first open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. Then on this thing here, you just need to write ipconfig /flush DNS, and then nesh winsock reset. After that, restart your computer. Then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet. Then you need to go to advanced network settings and then reset your network. And after that, the next step, what you need to do here is to open up your internet connection, go to view more adapter options, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, restart your computer, and your error should be gone. That's pretty much it.